In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to receive money on Remitly. Let's begin. So once you open up the Remitly app, you are going to go to the bottom left second corner and then select the Recipients tab. From here, you're going to go to the top right and then select Add. Then you enter in the recipient's first name, last name, mobile number, email address, and then the recipient's address. And then select the reason for sending, such as savings and family support, real estate, house and societies, educational institutions, tax payment, and so on. Once done, select Save. So under the Recipients heading, it's going to show you the name and surname of that recipient that you added. Select that recipient. If you select it, you're going to choose your amount. And then it's going to show you the conversion. And then under delivery speed, you're going to have two options, either Express or Economy. Express is faster and it usually costs more, but for now, they cost the same. So make sure that you keep in mind of the fee and then the fee discount. Go to the bottom and select Continue. Then from here, it's going to ask you to choose your delivery method. You could either use UPI, bank deposits, or cash pickup. If you choose bank deposits, it's going to ask you to choose which bank that you use, and you're going to have to enter in your details. And then for UPI, you will be asked to enter in the UPI number of the recipient. And then you're going to select Continue. And another thing to keep in mind when using various delivery methods, you have to inform the recipient which delivery method you'll be using and which one they prefer. So if the recipient wants to use bank deposits or UPI, you will do so. So you'll choose either UPI or bank deposits or any other delivery method that they want to use. So I'll be using UPI, select Continue at the bottom. Then enter in the UPI number of the recipient. So I'm going to use bank deposit for now. Then select Continue at the bottom. So from here, you're going to choose the recipient's bank. I'm going to use the one at the top. Then enter in the account number. From there, it's going to ask you to provide further details about the recipient, such as their address, to confirm their name, and so on. And then the money is going to be charged from your account and will be sent over to the recipient. If you want to sign up for Remitly, the link will be provided in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.